What if a sub $80 keyboard could completely outsound and outtype boards 3 times its price? This Epomaker TH99. I have been rigorously testing this 96% compact keyboard, and it packs unbelievable enthusiast features for under $90. Now listen, seeing a feature-packed keyboard selling on Amazon for anywhere between $66 and $83 usually means massive compromises. You usually expect hollow plastic, scratchy switches, and terrible battery, but right out of the box, you notice this thing has serious purposeful weight. It comes in at over 1.1 kilograms. That substantial heft gives it surprising stability on your desk. It totally eliminates that cheap, flimsy feeling you expect from budget models. You also get a distinct aluminum plate on the back and 2-level adjustable kickstands. The keycaps are constructed from highly durable PBT material in a comfortable cherry profile. Trust me on this one. The blue and white color combo looks incredibly clean on any desk, though there is a sleek black variation available for a more stealthy workstation setup. Just keep in mind that the keycaps are not shine-through. But here's the thing that absolutely blew my mind: the acoustics. The sound on this specific board is a massive highlight. Epomaker packed 5 distinct sound dampening layers inside this gasket-mounted chassis. We're talking about a pour-on sandwich pad, an IXPE switch pad, bottom pour-on foam, plus extra PET and silicon padding. The result? It completely kills any annoying hollow pinging noises. It delivers a highly refined, deep sound signature straight from the factory assembly line. And I'm not gonna lie, the custom Epomaker creamy Jade linear switches are absolutely phenomenal. They arrive perfectly pre-lubed to eliminate any unwanted scratchiness. These operate with a comfortable 45-gram actuation force, safely delivering an incredibly smooth, buttery typing feel that rarely exists at this affordable price. The entire PCB is hot swappable too. You want to change out the creamy Jades for any 3 or 5-pin mechanical switches of your personal preference later on? Go for it. Even the plate-mounted stabilizers come generously pre-lubed. No rattle, no ticking. You get an immediate plug-and-play acoustic delight without wasting hours doing tedious tape mods. Moving right along to connectivity and gaming performance, you get complete 3-mode flexibility. You have your wired USB-C connection, a fast 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, and standard Bluetooth 5.0. And because Epomaker shoved a massive 4,000 mAh battery inside, you can run this thing wirelessly for up to an astonishing 800 hours as long as the vibrant backlighting remains turned off. For demanding gaming enthusiasts, simply plug in the USB-C cable to unlock a blazing 1000 Hz polling rate and an ultra-low 2 millisecond latency. The 2.4 GHz wireless mode is similarly highly capable, stepping in with just a 5 millisecond delay. Combined with full NKRO anti-ghosting technology, every single keystroke registers accurately and instantly during intense competitive multiplayer matches. The lighting system utilizes 102 south-facing per-key RGB LEDs. It provides a seriously vibrant, smooth illumination that casts a beautiful underglow against the internal PC plate. You can quickly cycle through dynamic light patterns directly from the keyboard using simple onboard shortcuts. Need deeper customization? The dedicated proprietary software takes this a massive step further. You can precisely adjust every single detail, from vibrant static colors to complex reactive typing patterns. It natively handles advanced macro creation for complex gaming action triggers, giving you total control over how the 96% layout operates. Just a quick heads up, the software is currently restricted entirely to Windows operating systems, meaning Mac users unfortunately miss out on these deeper customization features. At the end of the day, the Epomaker TH99 delivers an exceptionally high-tier typing experience at a surprisingly entry-level consumer cost. You receive premium dampening materials, reliable 3-mode wireless capabilities, and fantastic factory-lubed linear switches. If you want top-tier custom sound and flawless functionality on a strict budget, you can grab one using the purchase link right down below in the description. Also, be sure to hit up the link to techxreviews.com for my complete in-depth written analysis on this board. Leave a comment down below with your thoughts on the creamy Jade switches. Smash that like button and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. I'll see you in the next one.